Here in this video we are going to learn about dot method. Dot method is also called as Rekhant method, and in dot method basically we have to do upper addition. In dot method we have to do addition, and addition Sanskrit term is Sankalanam, means we called addition as Sankalanam in Vedic math, and subtraction is Vyavakalanam. That one when it will come you'll be able to know. So first what we have to do, you see you can see these numbers, so many digits at a time. When we have to add, how we can do? So you might face difficulties. You may face difficulties when doing these all the numbers, because 10 digits, how you can add that much quickly. So in this process, in this dot method, we can add easily. So first what we have to do, we have to add from bottom to top, from bottom to top, from here to here we can add. Now what to do, what is the process to add? We know that what is carrying. Carrying means if it is equal to 10 or greater than 10. Whenever it is carrying, that side by side will put one dot and n digit will write. Here you can see 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 5 14. 14 means one dot I have to write. Here I am having 14, no? 14 means one dot means this is 110, and thereafter n digit 4 I have written. Thereafter this 4 you have to add, not this 5, as because we have completed up to this and we got dot 4, that means 14. This 4 we have to add, 4 9 13, 4 9 13, 13 means again dot 3, we don't need to write 13, dot 3. Again this 3 we have to add with 7, 3 7 again 10, again it is carrying, so dot 0. Now this 0 will be added to 8, 0 8 8, 8 6 14, again dot 4, this is 14 means dot 4, 4 4 again 8, and 8 to 0, that means dot 0. So at last what I am having 0, this will continue up to the top, means first digit. So 4 4 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 means dot 0. At last I am having 0, so 0 I have to write in unit place. Whatever I am getting here, this one I will write in unit place. Now I have to count the number of the dots. 1 2 3 4 5 dots are there. 5 I have to write in tens place. How many dots are there, that much you have to write in tens place. This much only. Now move to second example. How to do? So same thing, 3 to 5, 5 9 14 means dot 4, 4 7 11 means dot 1, 1 5 6, 6 to 8, 8 3 11 means dot 1, 1 8 9, 9 6 15 means dot 5, 5 4 9. So at last I am having 9, so I have to write this 9 in unit place. Unit, whatever I'll get here, that much I have to write here. This is 9, and again number of the dot I have to count. 1 2 3 4 dots are there. So how many numbers of dots are there, that much you have to write in tens place. 4 dots are there, so I have to write 4 in tens place. Now the sum is 49, so if you add also you will get 49. Now come to third example. See, 5 6 11 means dot 1, 1 3 4, 4 9 13 means dot 3, 3 8 11 means dot 1, 1 1 2, 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 3 12 means dot 2, then 2 plus 7 9. Again I am having 9 here, so 9 I have to write in unit place. Now I have to count the number of the dots. 1 2 3 4 dots are there. 4 I have to write in tens place. Always remember, whatever you will get here, that one you have to write in unit place, and how many dots are there, that one you have to write in tens place. So this is all about, means addition of one digit number by dot method. So more examples we are going to deal also. See here, 8 6 14 means dot 4, 4 4 8. Remember, only dot when you have to keep whenever the sum exceeds more than 10, means it is if it is equal to 10 or more than 10. So see here, everywhere I have not given the dots, dot only given, I have given the dot only when it is more than 10 or equal to 10. So 8 6 14 means it is more than 10, so dot 4 4 4 8, here I don't need to put dot. 8 5 13 13 means again more than 10, so dot 3 3 to 5 I don't need to put. 5 1 6 6 3 9 9 7 16 16 means dot 6 6 9 15 means dot 5 5 8 13 means dot 3. So at last I am having 3, so I have to write 3 here. Now I have to count the number of the dots, 1 2 3 4 5. So I have to write 5 here in tens place, so answer is 53. So up to the first digit you have to add, and how much you are getting, that one you have to write in unit place. How many dots are there, that one you have to write in tens place. Okay, so here 4 7 11 means dot 1 1 1 2 2 9 11 means dot 1 1 2 3 3 8 11 means dot 1 1 6 7 7 3 10 means equal to 10 also, so dot 0. So unit place only, unit place dot and unit place. 0 4 4 4 7 11 11 means dot 1. So here at last I am having 1, so 1 I have to write in unit place, and 1 2 3 4 5 5 dots are there, so 51. The 51 is the sum. Now one more example you see, 3 4 7 7 7 14 means dot 4 n digit dot and n digit. 4 6 10 10 means n digit 0 dot and 0. 0 8 8 8 4 12 12 means dot 2. 2 1 3 3 6 9 9 3 12 means dot 2. 2 9 11 means dot 1. At last I am having 1, so 1 I have to write in unit place. Thereafter I have to count the number of the dots, 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 I have to write. So in this way I got 51. So this is all about the dot method of one digit number. Then we are going to read about dot method of two digit number. So when you will be perfect in one digit number, thereafter easily two digit number you can do, as because two digit number we are having two columns. Two columns means one is ones place and another is tens place, so separately we have to do. So if you are able to do one digit number clearly, thereafter you can solve easily. So see here, first unit digit we have to solve 1 0 1. First unit digit, the two columns are here, tens digit and unit digit. So first you have to solve unit digit 1 9 10 10 means dot 0, then 0 6 6 6 plus 4 10 again dot 0. 0 2 2 2 4 6 6 9 15 means dot 5. 5 4 9 9 5 14 means dot 4. 4 3 7. At last I am having 7, so 7 I have to write in which place, unit place. Whatever you are having in unit place, at last you have to write in unit place. Thereafter I have to count the number of the dots in unit place. 1 2 3 4 4 dots are there. So remember, we are having 4 tens in unit place, so I have to add 4. This 4 I have to add with tens place, it's because I am having 4 number of tens in unit place. So how many number of dots are there, that much you have to add in tens place. So now again from bottom to top we will do 4 7 11 dot 1. 1 6 7 7 9 16 means dot 6. Then 6 7 13 means dot 3. 3 3 6 3 3 6 5 11 means dot 1. 1 7 8 8 8 16 means dot 6. Then 6 4 10 means dot 0. 0 2 2 2 4 0 2 2. This 0 plus 2 2 and 2 plus 4 6. This 4 also you have to include. Why this 4 came, I told to you, number of the dots in unit place, that one you have to write. That's why I have written this in red pen. Okay, so 0 2 2 2 4 6, so this is 6. Now 6, this 6 I have to write in tens place. Whatever remain last in unit place, that one you have to write in unit place. Whatever remain in tens place, that one you have to write in tens place. Now what left? The number of the dots in tens place, that one I have to count. How many dots are there in tens place? That is not tens, that is hundreds. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 number of tens are there in tens place. So 6 I have to write in hundred place. How many number of dots are there in unit place? That one you have to write in tens place. How many number of dots are there in tens place? You have to write in hundred place. So the answer is 667. Now come to another example. Same thing you have to do, that unit digit you have to separate, means separately solve first, thereafter tens place you have to do. So first see, 2 3 5 5 9 14 means dot 4, 4 7 11 means dot 1, 1 5 6 6 8 14 means dot 4, 4 6 10 means dot 0, 0 4 4, 4 9 13 means dot 3, 3 5 1, 3 5 3 1 3 1 4, 4 4 8. So at last I am having 8. So 8 I have written clearly, you can see. Now I have to count the number of the dots in unit place. 1 2 3 4 5 dots are there. So 5 I have to write above the tens place, as because how many dots are involved in unit place, that one you have to add in tens place. How many dots are there in tens place, that one you have to write in hundred place. So here 5 dots are there in unit place, so 5 I have written. Now again same process I will do. 4 9 13 means dot 3, 3 8 11 means dot 1, 1 7 8, 8 8 16 means dot 6, 6 7 13 means dot 3, 3 5 8, 8 3 11 means dot 1, 1 2 3, 3 5 8, 8 6 14 means dot 4, 4 this 5 9, 4 and this above 5 also you have to add. 4 plus 5 9. So at last I am having 9. So I have to write 9 here in tens place. Whatever I'll get in tens place, I have to write in tens place. Now what left? Tens place dot. So how many dots are there? I have to count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 dots are there in tens place. So 6 I have to write in hundred place. How many dots are there in tens place? That one you have to write in hundred place. Now see the last example. So first you need to solve one digit number dot method clearly. Thereafter you can do easily two digit method, as because nothing it is there. Only extra thing is number of the dot in unit place, that one you have to write here. And thereafter again you have to do the same process, and number of the dots in tens place, that one you have to write in hundred place. So see here, 5 4 9 9 8 17. So dot 7, 7 3 10 means dot 0, 0 6 6, 6 3 9, 9 2 11 means dot 1, 1 8 9, 9 4 13 means dot 3, 3 6 9. So at last I am having 9 in unit place. So I have to write 9 here. Then how many dots are there in unit place? That one I have to count. 1 2 3 4 dots are there. 4 I have written clearly, you can see. Now I have to calculate tens place. 3 2 5, 5 1 6, 6 5 11 means dot 1, 1 8 9, 9 7 16 means dot 6, 6 6 12, 12 means dot 2, 2 7 9, 9 5 14 means dot 4, 4 2 6, 6 7 13 means dot 3. Now this 3 plus 4 7. So I am having 7 here. So 7 I have to write. Now the number of the dot in tens place I have to count. 1 2 3 4 5 number of dots are there. So 579. This is the answer of the last number. So this is all about the dot method of one digit and two digit number. First do one digit number carefully, thereafter two digit number with the instruction you can do easily, and watch the full video, and there are so that you'll get all the concept.